Today, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Zendesk account. Whether you're managing customer support tickets or need to access your help desk platform, getting into your account is the first essential step. Let's walk through this process together. First, open up your web browser and navigate to zendesk.com. This will take you directly to the Zendesk homepage where you'll find all the tools and options you need to access your account. Once the page loads, take a moment to locate the navigation options at the top of the screen. At the top of the page, you'll see a sign-in button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to accessing the login portal, and it's typically positioned in the upper right corner of the homepage, making it easy to spot. Clicking this will begin the process of connecting you to your account. After clicking that initial sign-in button, you'll notice another sign-in button appears. Click on this one as well. This second step is part of Zendesk's navigation flow, ensuring that users are properly directed to the secure login area. It might seem like an extra step, but it's designed to keep the login process organized and secure. Once you click the second sign-in button, the system will redirect you to a new tab. This is completely normal and expected. The new tab is where you'll actually enter your credentials, and it's a separate page to maintain security standards. Give it a moment to fully load before proceeding. Now that you're on the login page, you'll see fields for your email and password. Start by typing in the email address associated with your Zendesk account. Make sure you enter it correctly, as this is how Zendesk identifies your account. Next, input your password in the password field. Be mindful of capitalization and any special characters to ensure you're entering it accurately. After you've filled in both your email and password, click the sign-in button on this page. This final action will authenticate your credentials and grant you access to your Zendesk dashboard, where you can manage all your customer support activities. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Zendesk account and you're ready to start managing your support workflows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.